Showing you how to pour a bleaching tray model today without a base, so it's going to be a horseshoe shape. Just tap out the water, just make sure that the impression is dry, so doesn't create air bubbles. So the first we're going to do is just pour a little bit of water into the impression material, stir it. So it's quite runny. This to start off with, it's quite runny. You'll just agitate it just to get all the air bubbles out. Make sure it's well mixed. Then you just place the model sideways, let the impression material just run from one tooth all the way to the next, agitating it so there's no air bubbles, or any air bubbles will come to the surface. So you're pouring quite quickly, making sure it runs.
This also allows the water to run out, so sometimes it has. Okay.
Then just lean it over the mixing bowl, so it will just, all the excess will just run out. You'll see there's no air bubbles.
What you can do as well is just if there's air bubbles, you can use a probe and then just see where you can
pop them out.
Sorry about that. Okay. Add some more.
So it fills the teeth cavities, and then just let it run out the other side again.
Okay, into the bowl. Slowly, so you can get all the bubbles out.
The teeth are the very important bit.
Yeah.
If you can get the teeth right, that's...
Okay. So what you can do is, now you can just add some...
So you just add more powder, just to thicken the mixture. And what you want is like a thick, runny ice cream consistency, like a melted ice cream consistency.
It's vibrating.
That consistency, so it's like runny melted ice cream.
Yeah, and you can just make it nice and smooth. And I just normally fill it up a bit.
Just fill it up with,
yeah,
over the teeth.
It's ready for. And because we're doing a horse shape, I normally just try and just not fill that area of the palate. You need to make sure it's even because you need the base to be flat but also stable. What I normally do, I just use my finger, I do that, take away whatever I can. Wait a bit for it to get hard. And what you do, turn around and just, and it just needs to be left.
Okay, so we have done, we've cast the model already. I'll turn it over. You can see here that we've got now a U-shaped model. This is to ensure that we get, when we put in the suck down machine, we get a strong airflow around the model when the tray is being pulled. So the bleaching tray material adapts perfectly to the model without any gaps.